Let's talk about something different types of firewall available. As you know that firewall is a kind of thing that can be available either in the software or also in the hardware format. So different types of firewalls are available here, and firewall can either be the software or the hardware. So it's best to have both. A software firewall is a program installed on each computers and regulates traffic through port numbers and applications. While a physical firewall is a piece of equipment installed between your network and the gateway. As let's talk in some descriptive manner, firewall is a aspect of cybersecurity where you want to ensure the security of the data. Different types of firewall is concerned, then it may be software firewall and the hardware firewall. Software firewall is a firewall which contain set of softwares, set of programs installed on a computers by which you need to check the traffic incoming or outgoing using their port number. While the hardware firewall is a firewall which is made up of the hardware devices that you can touch, you can feel, and it will be installed in between the network and your gateway. Now, what do you mean by the gateway? This is the interconnecting devices that is working on almost all layers of the TCP, IP, and the OSI model. So when we categorize by filtering method, there are different types of firewall. So according to the hardware and the software, there are two types of firewall, while according to the filtering methods, firewall can also be divided into different categories like the packet filtering firewall and stateful inspection firewall. Now, and proxy firewall and the next generation firewall. It is also known as NGFW. Packet filtering firewall is the first firewall in their category. When a packet passes through a packet filtering firewall, its source and destination address, protocol, and destination port number are checked. This firewall is basically work on very elementary basis on the basis of packets, and it will check the packet related informations like the source address, destination address, and the contents of the packet. So source and the destination address, packet and the destination ports number are being checked. This is the diagram which explain you about the packet filter firewall. So in this diagram, you can see that it looks at each packet entering or leaving the network and accept or reject it based on user defined rule. So according to the user defined rule, your firewall will be checked, and it will accept and it can reject the data based on the different kinds of packet filtering rules. So this is the trusted network and this is the untrusted network. Each and every data is coming from the trusted network in a short packet format, and the firewall is having some set of rules that is set by the network administrator. It will check the rule and it will filter it out, and if any packet which is not being abide by the rules that is defined by the firewall rule set, then that packet is blocked or discarded by the network, while the other packet will be allowed. Now next, talk about the stateful inspection firewall. It examines network traffic to determine whether one packet is related to another packet or not. In stateful inspection firewall is basically dedicated to check whether that packet network traffic is, whether the packet is related to another packet or not. A proxy firewall is also known as uh, application level gateway protocol and inspect packet at the application layer of the OSI model. As you all know that in the computer network or in the cyber world, we are using the internet, and the internet is made up of the different kinds of layers, and these layers architecture is called the open system interconnection layer model. And this is the proxy firewall, which basically is used to check that at application level, is there any unknown traffic is coming or not. So proxy firewall is the application level gateway firewall that will inspect the applications layers packets in the network. The next generation firewall is also known as NGFW, and it is uses the multi-layered approaches to integrate enterprise firewall capability with a intrusion prevention systems and application control. The next generation firewall is the most latest updated firewall architecture because it can inculcate the traditional security systems along with the intrusion prevention systems. The modern systems are the modern application control systems. This is the difference between the hardware and the software firewall. Hardware firewall protect an entire network, implement at the router level, and usually more expensive and harder to configure. The hardware firewall is a kind of firewall which is configured at the hardware level, while the software firewall is a kind of firewall which is basically used to secure the software, used to secure at the individual level or at the software level. So it is usually less expensive and easier to configure. This firewall uh, is not much expensive, and that's why in order it is not much expensive and also not very complex to configure. And some operating systems are support inbuilt software firewall installed like the Windows. This is the basic diagram which will represent the different types of firewall: packet filtering, circuit level, application level gateway, stateful multi-level inspection firewall, next generation firewall, threat focused NGFW firewall, network address translation, that is NAT firewall, cloud firewall, and unified threat management firewall. Thanks.